Hello and welcome back to this video on how to repair an accordion. We are now at the stage where we're going to wax seal the reeds into the reed bed. But what I've done is I've been able to find where these reeds needed to go. Now the way I did that was a bit of trial and error. As I showed in the last video, I was blowing air into the reed bed to make the sound. Now these reed beds are not chromatic, so they don't go C, D, E, F, etc, etc. So what I did was I matched where the wax had gone. So I have four to do on this reed bed. What I'm actually going to do on this one particularly is, because this is the one that took the most damage, I'm going to redo all of these reeds, whether they need it or not. This one, this slightly smaller reed bed, we've only got one to worry about. It's that one there. Yet again, because these reeds are double-sided, I needed to look to see where the reed had been positioned before, so there's a residue of wax, and I've now decided that that's where that will go. On this smaller reed bed here, we've got the same again. We've got one of these end ones, can't find which one it is now. One of them needs repositioning. Yet again, done the same thing, checked it, repositioned it, and I will wax that. I've had to wait for a block of wax to come from France. I did try and find some in the UK. The only place that I could find in the UK was a website in Scotland, and I couldn't just order it online. I had to ring them up or send them an email and mess around. So it was actually easier for me to buy this from France. Now it costs about £6 for a block of wax, and it is specifically for repairing accordions. It's got a particular type of composite that will help, so it's non-sticky apparently. So it costs about £6 to buy, plus about another £5 to ship from France to the UK. And what we're going to do is, because I don't know how much wax I need, I'm going to take off a little bit of this, melt it. I'm going to melt it in a tin. I've prepared a little tin, and then what I'm going to do is I have some art brushes, and we're going to use those art brushes to paint the wax on. And so let's start, let's see how we get on. So while the wax is melting, I'm going to pick a brush, and I think we'll probably go with that one. See how we get on with that. We'll just crimp it to make sure we've got no... This looks like it's melting. Yep, it is. And it's nearly there. So we can turn it off the heat. So what's happened there is that clearly the wax doesn't stay hot for very long, and I've had to put it back on the heat because it suddenly got very sticky and it pulled the reed away from the reed bed. As you'll notice, when I actually was waxing these reed beds, I caught the actual reeds a little bit. So what I'm doing is I'm just peeling off. The wax is still quite supple, so we're just peeling off all the excess wax, so make it nice and clean. Make sure that that little flap can come up and down, and the same with that one. Just do my thumbnail and scrape off the excess wax, and then what we do is we give them a blow. So this reed bed we only need to worry about one way because there's only one set of reeds. It doesn't have a draw reed on these, so they are both working fine. And that reed bed looks really good actually, how it's positioned in. Let's look at the other ones. So this one, same again. Scrape a little bit of the excess off. Make sure that that can come up. Now these reeds go two ways, so let's see whether we can make a note out of it. Just get it in the right position. It's right, it's fine that way. Can't quite make it go the other way. Let's see what What's going on there then? It's fine. Yeah, currently this one is sticking, so I need to do a little bit of work to that one. It seems to be fairly free. When I press it in, it's not sticking. They're all fairly... There we go. So, it's now working. And this final set of reeds, let's have a look at this. It looks pretty good. This is the one where I need to really use a pump because the reeds are too big, but it looks like everything's seated pretty good. I could probably do it a little bit touch there. Now the thing about this one is the other side still has all the reeds missing, so my next job is to position where these reeds need to be, and I'll do that for the next video. So thanks very much for watching. If you like what I do, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.